Hello dear colleagues. Today we will build a very simple model in Rand Model Designer. First step is creating a new project workspace from the main window of the editor. Now we are entering a new project name. Please note that the name shouldn't contain spaces between words. Then there is a capability to specify the project location on your computer. Now there is a need to specify type of the model which we are creating. This type we are going to create a continuous elementary object. Pressing Create button will finally create the new project workspace. The main project window consists from the Model Equation section and the Programming Information section. Let's now create a very simple model of pendulum. Now we need to define a set of equations that will describe behavior of the pendulum. First equation is a simple formula describing pendulum angle dependence from the time. The formula uses sinus function and a standard system variable called time. The variable acts as a simple clock counter. Now we need to define our pendulum behavior in another form, in a form of differential equation. The formula defines a second derivative proportional to sinus x. Now from the engineering point of view we have completely described our pendulum behavior. The description includes exact formula and a form of differential equation. There is a need to click OK button in order to apply the set of equations to the project. Next we need to confirm creation of a new internal project variable named z. This variable is used in the first equation of our mathematical model. Internal variable parameter setting dialog appears. The dialog allows definition of the variable type and initial value to start the modeling calculation. This time the default settings for the variable are correct, so what we need to do is just to confirm them by pressing OK button. The same operation needs to be done for variable from our differential equation. This time we need to change initial value settings to put the pendulum system into conditions of motion. I will put value 1 instead of 0 to make our pendulum swinging. Now we see the main project window with the complete model definition. The definition consists from the set of equations, list of variables, and initial values for the variable derivatives. We can adjust initial values for derivatives. For example, first derivative of x is speed. Let's define initial speed for our pendulum. Now our model is complete and ready for simulation. I will select and press Run Model button on the main toolbar. A new project window that is called Test Bench appears. Let's press Run button to start simulation. The model starts to working and output its parameter in a graphical and tabular form. After some seconds of continuous calculation the model makes pause. Now I select to stop further calculations as the result is successful. Now I can use the result of simulation for a further analysis or to print out the report.